Owen here, explaining how to find clarity and use the law of attraction by having fun. So, since you already understand the law of attraction from your life experience, I'm going to explain it in a new way from my perspective. How I'm understanding it is the law of attraction is the greatest law in the universe. And it simply states that things that are like each other are attracted to each other. So, think of it like there's a vibe that things are either in harmony with or not in harmony with. And then apply that same principle to your thought and action. And if you think about your emotions as energy in motion or a vibration that's being translated, then you can see how your thoughts can attract feelings and those actions are going to be linked to the thoughts and feelings. So, as you're always translating this thought or these perceived flow of thoughts and feelings, and then understanding and comprehending that through your emotions, you're translating your vibration. You're translating emotion and you're outputting your action. So, one of the ways we can use this is through our focus and attention. By controlling your thought momentum, you can turn thoughts into the emotions and things that translate into your dreams and desires. So when you sit in this world and you spend so much time talking and doing, you need to remember that it's the vibe that matters most. The vibe is what's connecting the talking, feeling, and doing. So if you're not allowing that to be in alignment with all that is this beautiful life that's flowing through you, you're going to continue to feel the negative emotion. And this is why it's so powerful to control your focus or attention. And when you're able to translate that into more and more appreciation and feel the fullness of who you are in that appreciation, then you can find your life becoming more meaningful, more satisfying, and more pleasurable. And then you're living alive, awake, and aware of your true power and allowing all that is this understanding that comes together when you find alignment with who you really are to help guide you. And the universe is going to continue to give you these gifts of satisfaction and joy if you continue to just let go of your limitations and lean into the love that's guiding you within. So, when you can then connect this to that feeling of clarity and know that when you've been in a state of confusion and felt that disharmony in that, and you continue down those negative spirals of thought, you're just attracting more and more negative things to you. And the best thing you can do during that time is to just stop. Stop everything you're doing and quiet the mind. Find your clarity so you can feel free again. Because clarity is all about timing, clarity is about alignment. And the universe is actually organized around this alignment or clarity and timing. And truly, clarity is fun. It feels like decisiveness, precision, excellence, expansion. It feels like you feeling the fullness of your inspiration and just allowing it to flow through. And the law of attraction loves stuff like this. It loves when your vibe is so on point that everything is so easily organized and everything's divinely unfolding in this easy, effortless way. And you've accomplished your greatest momentum and all the creativity is flowing through. So when you allow this to carry you and allow your pure positive thought momentum to carry you, then you're in harmony with who you really are. So if you want to find union with your true self, then continue to let go of all the nonsense, all the self judgment and limitations within, and learn to play and get your vibe set before you go into your day, knowing that Your state of awareness and attention is so valuable. So think of it like this: if it's really cold outside, you're going to get a bunch of really warm snow gear on to prepare for being out there. So that cold doesn't like detract from what you're doing in the now. And because you've done that preparation or you've done that energy work of getting into alignment before you go out into the world, then you have your clarity, you have more insight, you have more awareness, and you can be you and feel comfortable expressing yourself, moving around, and exploring all that you have to offer. Remembering that the most important manifestation in the moment that you'll ever experience is the emotion, because emotion is the manifestation or feeling that is not always tangible in the sense of it being a thing that you can feel or but you can feel it, and that's the most important part of it. It's your sixth sense. Just because you can't see, taste, or touch the physical emotion, you can't deny that that feeling is a manifestation. And because those feelings are the ones that have led to the inspiration or the manifestation, as all emotions precede manifestations and you're able to make them your primary focus, then you can continue to allow them to snowball into this bliss and joy and expanding consciousness of your own creativity, channeling your passion and purpose through what you do and letting go into the flow as you no longer pinch yourself off from your source of life force, allowing more pure positive emotion to be who you are, and knowing that the more and more you rest into the present now, you can be your authentic self and do what you need to do to become who you are. So stop trying to measure yourself against others, comparing where you are against where you think you could be, and simply find this vibe of non resistance and the state of harmony so you can ride that wave of love and well being as its source of energy is the stream that's carrying you to and through all of your dreams. Exploring and living with clarity and shining your light as an example for others. As when you're deliberately encouraging more positive momentum and it feels good, and then you get better at letting go of everything else that doesn't serve you, you have better timing and you're connected in more meaningful ways. So, unless you're really cooperating with all of those around you, you end up being in an unpleasant place. So, it's best for you to simply find your alignment and satisfaction within and then attract that in the people around you. Because your acceptance of who you really are is so important to finding your clarity. Learn to let go into what you know to be true for you so you can feel your clarity and be completely free.